ahead. Which way, when you launch it, which way is it going to go? Which way is it
Straight.
All right. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Oh God, oh God, oh God. My low rates aren't low enough. All right.
You got it?
Not really. Jesus Christ. I cannot believe I said that. Alright, you got an audience now.
Well, why'd you do that?
Huh? Why'd I do what?
You did-
I still have a crap ton of elevator. Oh, it's not bad.
I don't know, man. Your motor mount might have.
Sustained a lot of damage. Oh, shit.
Oh God.
I don't have a hand. Pull this over. Good thing you got. Can you grab the controller? Hold this. Look at that. Here, let's go back so I have.
This is fine. It's plenty.
All right, launch it that way.
I assure you, there's nothing wrong with the.
Wind.
Wait,
Wait, hang on. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Throttle up and then I'll go. All right.
Okay. Jesus.
What are you? Stop! What are you doing? Throttle! Give it throttle! Oh.
Here comes the
Give it the beans!
Oh God.
Where are you? I really don't think.
You want to fly it?
Yeah, I do.
Fine then. Here, as a but is this still recording?
Yeah.
God.
All right. There we go. I got this.
All right, go ahead. Am I right or am I right? It's really unstable. Oh, now it's not even flyable anymore. No, it doesn't have enough sweep.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still kind of alive.
That's fine. Bugger.
Oh, nice.
That was you.
It was not me.
Probably.
You're the one that cartwheeled
so
it.
It's got a bunch of. Where's your? Do you have any subtrim on it?
Yeah, but that's to correct so that they're even. What time are we going out? Are you still recording?
Nope.
Nice! Oh, no way. Bill got way too much. Jesus Christ. I am barely giving it any input, and now I just lost orientation.
Let me taste this.
What is it?
Buttered popcorn.
Very nice.
Hey!
Shit. A little bit fuzzy? Huh.
I can see the storm.
Sorry, this might be a little bit of a rough video. What? Yep. He's flying FPV. Hey, at least you got to see me crash. And you got to crash it too.
I got to crash it too.
Don't you feel so happy?
But it just wouldn't cooperate.
It just, yeah. I think it's the scaling doesn't work. I mean, the Versa.
It didn't scale down that much. Did it? It's not much.
It scaled it down probably like to 60% of the original.
How was the wingspan on mine?
I'm looking at the line right up there, the white line. This is awesome. Okay, we need to go inside before we die.
It's about to be some serious shit.
Yeah, we need to go inside before we die. Awesome. We're not gonna get enough.